शारदा मंदिराचो ग्रॅज्युएशन दिसाचो सुवाळो जालो। सुवाळ्याक 10व्या आनी 12वेच्या भुरग्यांचो भोवमान केलो। पोरने गोंय कदंब पठारा लागसार 4 एकर जमनीत नवी शाळा बांदतले म्हण चेअरमॅन दत्तराज साळगांवकारान घोषणा केली। सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरी फामाद लेखिका शोभा डे आशिल्ली।
Learning is a continuous process, and we believe a school plays a key role in mapping out a child's education and instilling in him and her a desire for lifelong learning and a spirit of inquiry and curiosity. I am very pleased to also inform you that we have recently bought a parcel of land of 4 acres in the Kadamba plateau near Old Goa, and we are in the process of building a new school. In this new school, we plan to provide a very distinctive environment conducive to engaged learning and awakening multiple intelligences of our children while retaining the essence of Sharda Mandir School.
If you have a supportive and loving family, you already have that foundation. And they too play such a significant role in helping you to develop the character that will see you for the rest of your life too. So if during your school term and school years, you have confronted your own truths and maybe your self-belief has been questioned, it teaches you, yes, it teaches you a lot, but it's also tough. So I would leave you with the words that self-belief is the one thing that you must never ever compromise on. It's going to make you who you are now and forevermore. So believe in yourself.
म्हापशा JMFC कोर्टान महिला काँग्रेसीच्या वांगड्याक आनी 3 पॅरा टिचरींक क्रिमिनल केसीत समन्स धाडला। फाटल्या नोव्हेंबरांत पॅरा टिचरी असेंब्ली भायर आंदोलनाक बशिल्ली। त्या वेळार काँग्रेसीन तांकां तेंको दिल्लो। सरकार तांच्या आड आवाज काडप्यांक चेपूंक कश्यो कारवायो करता म्हण महिला काँग्रेसीचे अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुथिनो उलयली।
After 7 months, a criminal case is put on us, brothers. Criminal case with this section, several sections like section 143, as I've told you all, section 147, section 341, section 332, section 323, and read with section 149 of IPC. I want to ask the government, these all sections include rights केले आम्ही ह्याला थंय अनलॉफुल असेंब्ली, व्हॉलंटरी हर्टिंग पब्लिक सर्वंट्स, पुलिसांनी आमकां उडयला दांडे घेवन, वयल्यान आमचेर केस, restraining from doing duties. Their force was so much. BJP government is trying to suppress our voices. They don't want anyone to talk against them. This is hukumshahi, dadagiri. This Parikar, when he was in the opposition, mashal घेऊन कसिनोचो भायल्यान ताणें कसिनो ब्लॉक केल्लो, 500-600 लोकांक घेवन रस्तो सगळो मेस्ट केल्लो, ताजेर कसलो सेक्शन घालपाचो, ताजेर कसली केस जावपाक जाय।
घेवया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।